What's going on, fellas? Sorry, guys. Geez, I stayed up till about like 4 o'clock in the morning just trying to make like 60 bucks. That's ridiculous. I made 60 bucks, so it's all right. It's not too bad. See what we got here today. See what we do today, fellas. But I am currently up $77 for today, so that's a good. That's good. Uh, so I would like to see this to come down today. I would like to see this to come down today. So let's see if we can get that to happen. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait to see if we can get a nice drop on this. Come on, give me a good push up. I want to get a good push up so this thing can come back down. Got to keep that 1 hour chart open. I'm gonna try to see if I can get in real quick and get a quick scalpy. I'm gonna try to get me a little quick one. See if I can get me a quick one. I'm just gonna sit here and wait patiently. See if we can get this put up movement. I'm gonna short this on the top. Oh my goodness. Hmm. See if I can get in here real quick. Oof. See what we do here, fellas. See what we do, fellas. See what we do today. I'm already up $83 for today on the futures account. My options I'm down, but that's alright. I'll wait, see what I can do real quick. We're still in an uptrend, so I'm gonna wait for this one. I'm gonna put see if we can get a up move on this one. I want it to come up to here. What time is it? It's 9:13. Still good. We still got plenty of time, fellas. We still got plenty of time. I'm gonna keep my eye out on that 1 minute. Keep your eye out on that 1 minute, guys. I mean, not the 1 minute, the 1 hour. See what we do, fellas. It's 9:14. I want to see this come back up, and then later on, I want to see a push down. That's what I want to see for today. I want to see this move it to the downside. Come on. Let's get it. Let's get it. All right. See if we can just hold this. I'm gonna try to hold it for a bit. Looks like we got a lot of buyers here. go. Just a little higher. I just needed to go come up higher, just right here at least. Looks like we're still coming up though on that 15. We're still on the upside on that 15. I will be getting into the puts today. I will be getting in puts at 440. 440. mm, 440 puts, guys. And I'm so tired. Come on. I know you can push up. Oh, let's go to the 1 minute right quick. See how it's looking. I think we can still come up. I know we can come up. My back. Jeez. Come on. I think we got room to go to the upside at market open. Yeah, we still got some room for at market open. I know we can get this. I'm gonna keep my eye out on that 1 minute though. I mean that 1 hour. Ugh. So the reason why I'm going in here is because I see that on the 15 minute we can see we're still above on the MACDs, we're still above this the bullish side of things. There's not really a lot of volume right now, but this is still up. Even going to the 60 right now, we're still bullish up here. I want to see this. I want to see this open up more later on. If it opens up more and there's space between these two, then we have room to come down. Come on, let's see it. Let's see the power. Let's get it. Come on, give me $100, man. Give me a hundo. Just one hundo, man. Man, my back is killing me, guys. I'm tired, man. I'm just gonna wait patiently here. We got 4 minutes and 54 seconds, fellas, till market opens. Let's get it. I will be looking for 440 puts today, though. I'm feeling sick right now, my stomach. 440 puts today. Now we do have on the I'm gonna change my screen real quick. Uh, so we do have this candle right here. Hold on, give me 1 second. I gotta see my screen. We do have this candle here at 449, 450, and on SPY we have the same thing here. I want to see these get covered. If this can't get covered, um, at least halfway. I think at least either halfway or probably the whole thing. It just depends. We're pretty much we topped off on the stochastics and everything, so I believe that we can come down here. But I'm gonna get those. Well, you know what? I'm gonna change those. I'm gonna get those 443s, 443, 442s, 443s, 443s. I'll get those 443s. They cost a pretty good penny, but or 445s. I'll get those 445s today. So let's see what happens. And I do have an options chain for my futures account thing, so see if we can get those running. We have about 3 minutes, guys. 3 minutes till this I gotta take out an options chain again. An options chain for what do you call it? Uh-oh. What's going on here, guys? It's not even 9:30 yet and it already started. I still see this. I want to see this thing come back up, guys. Let's see if we do get that. If not, then I'm gonna have to get out. I'm getting out halfway. You gotta be ready for this. You gotta put a stop loss. I was thinking about putting one there, but see what happens at market opens. Got 1 more minute, guys. And we about to open. We're open. Come on, baby. Come on, push up. Come on, baby, push up. Let's go. Hold on. We got that 1 hour, guys. That 1 hour is looking kind of odd. But let's see if I can get out of this one and just readjust myself here in a minute. There we go. Come on. Ah, come on. I know you got this, baby. Let's see what those 440s are at. They're at 137. So let's look at those 15s. Come on. Okay. As soon as this thing goes up again, possibly I'm about to sell this. Wait. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm gonna wait. See what happens. I need to see those EMAs cross over so I can get in long again. I can get in long. I'm gonna wait. Come on. It looks like it does want to go to the upside, guys. See what happens. Come on. All right, so they're about to cross over. Let's see if we can see if I can add another one here somewhere. Come on. There we go. All right, let's see what we do, guys. This thing is Not going as planned, but I'm gonna have to get out here in a minute. This thing is just way too volatile right now. Shit. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Let me see. Alright, so we're coming down, but let's see if we can recover at least a little bit of my profits and then try to get in. See, I'm gonna try to get in here in a minute. Damn, guys. I'm only down 48 bucks. Well, on here I'm down 120 something, but on my actual P&L I'm down 41 because I made profit. So, but well, it still it doesn't matter. Damn, I messed up, guys. All right, let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna try to recover this. I'm gonna try to recover this. Should have known better. I'll get into some puts in a few. I'm just gonna try to recover this at least. Yeah, it's probably gonna still keep going down, but it's all right. I'll be fine. knew at these levels it was going to come down. I just, damn, guys. Well, I didn't get into those 440s, so I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna get into another long. Once I see this thing is gonna, if it does reverse, I'm gonna get into another long. I'm now down 315. I'm gonna wait. Oh, that's great. I'm gonna wait for this, guys. I know this is a long shot down, but I'm alright for right now. I'm gonna wait a reversal on this 5 minute, actually on a 3 minute. See if we can get it. Once this 1 minute, once this it crosses over on the 7, then I'm gonna get into another long. Yeah, there's no way this thing is gonna come back up all the way up here. I can't see that. Actually, you know what? Yeah, I don't know. Down here it looks like it could. This is horrible, guys. It's not good trading, man. Come on. See this thing recover. This thing recovers. If it crosses over on the 7, this this EMA here, I'm getting into another long. Alright, so it crossed over. Let's see. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for this play to play out. I'm gonna wait real quick. Come on. Okay, it crossed over. Come on. Ah. See if I recover from this, guys. Let's see on the 30-minute. Still looks like it's gonna keep going. It's gonna go up. It looks like it's gonna go up, but this bitch is gonna keep going down, man. Fuck. It's not cool, guys. This is so fucked up right now. It's being greedy up here. If I recover this, I'm getting out, and I'm just gonna call it the day. Come on. Come on, recover this for me, please. Let's get it. We need to see this, the white cross over the yellow. Let's see what we have here. Come on. Well, on the 4 hour, we're just bouncing. What the heck? Is it possible? No freaking way. I was lucky. Come on, recover. Give me something out of this. I will definitely get out. Come on. I'm up 148. I'm up 160, 178. $206. Okay, I'm gonna let this ride, guys. I'm gonna let this ride. I'm gonna let this ride for right now. I'm gonna let this ride. I'm gonna let this ride. Hey, Q, you on? I see you, brother. I'm gonna let this ride, guys. I'm gonna let this ride. Should have gotten into some puts earlier on, but that's all right. I sent you an invite, Q. I'm out. $262, fellas. That was a close one, guys. That was a close one. That was a close one, man. Let's see what we do. Hey Q, I sent you an invite if you're on. I mean, I sent you an invite through let's see. Yeah, through the collab cam. Yeah, I should have just waited, fellas. Look at that. 463. 463. I'm at $262, guys. 262. All right, let's see what we got here, fellas. I want to make some more money. If we get the green to cross over the MACDs. So I'm looking at the MACDs here, and I'm seeing this spacing between here. Looks like if we can get that crossover between here, the yellow and the green, then I'm going short. I'm shorting this bad boy. So let's see if I can get 300 out of this. too early to get in, I think. I want to get out here in a minute, I do. But let's see what happens, fellas. See what happens. See what happens. Let's see what happens, fellas. I'm gonna go ahead and get out. Ah, you mother. Come on, drop on down. That's what I'm seeing on the 3 minute. Actually, on the 15 minute, we're coming back up and then probably dropping again. So see what happens. It's only 17 bucks down. That's fine. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Jesus. That's crazy, guys. That's crazy. Come on, you see weakness. I need to see weakness, guys. Let's see. I'll get into another short position here in a minute. I'm just gonna wait for this movement to stop. I got you. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second, brother. I got you right quick. Let me see. Collab cam, copy, and I want to send it to you. Go to your hold on. Give me 1 second. Go to your Gmail real quick. I'll send it through Gmail. CPMARTIN SAUCET. Oh, okay. Give me 1 second, brother. S11, F11. All right. Give me 1 second, brother. Let me Oh my gosh, really? All right. Let's do Man, all these security codes, man. Let's do There we go. I sent it, brother. I sent it, brother. I sent it. Sent it. See if we can get this crossover. Hopefully we can get a drop on down. All right, so let's see. Let's see if we can get this damn thing to. I want to see a. That was a hard push right there. That was a hard push. And it's still rolling, guys. Still rolling. That's crazy, man. That's crazy. I sent you a link, Q, to Gmail. You should have it now. See what's going on here, man. What's going on? All right. All right. Let's see if we can get this reversal back on down, guys. I want to see this. I want to be able to see this thing come back down. See what we do. There is a lot of buyers here. We need this thing to come back down. Let's see that. Let's see this. Let's see this yellow cross this white. That's what I want to see. Oh, give me 1 second. Okay. What's going on, brother?
What up?
Uh-oh. Now I'm getting the same thing. I can't even hear you my headset. It's all right though. It's all right as long as I can hear you. Um, yeah, how'd it go today, man?
Good man. That's my a guy the DA put me in touch with, man, just to kind of it's a program through ACP, just help me with the cybersecurity world.
I gotcha. I gotcha. Yeah, man. I got into the markets today, man. I called it out. I said, look, this is where it's going. I'm seeing this go, down to its drop this morning. I see it, and I was like, I called it out. I was like, yeah, it's possibly going to drop here, man. And I got in somehow for some reason. I got in longs, and it, man, it just shot way down here, and I was negative like 600 and something, man, and I was like, man, I better be lucky if this reverses, man, and I got it all back, and now I'm just trying to make some more money, man.
I thought I heard you say $2,000.
No, 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 it's 200.
Oh, okay. I
Yeah,
thought
two hundred. Yeah, I'm not. Now, if I was messing with the NQ, then that's a different story, you know. It would have I think it would have already knocked me out by then, man. It would have already liquidated me.
Hmm.
But yeah, man. I don't see too much going on today. That's I only saw this drop. If I switch over to this screen here, I saw this right here. I saw these wicks. So I'm just waiting on I'm waiting on to see if we can get a reversal here. Looks like there's a possibility that we can see I want to see a reversal on this side up here, come back down the VWAP. But I saw this wick right here. I saw this wick and it went way, it shot right back down to here. You into any stocks today?
I was just looking at JP Morgan.
Mm-hmm.
Um, Funny how it follows it followed the exact same trend.
Yeah.
I mean, identical.
Mm-hmm.
You had that spike at 9:30,
Mm-hmm.
and then by 950, by 9:59:55, you had just a sharp drop off, just like yours.
Yeah. Hopefully we can get this to go come back down because I want to see this thing come back down to 450 at least 450, 99 or somewhere around this area. And he says, I need to make some money, man. This week, I got to go to this sometime during the weekend. I have to go to South Carolina, and I found this chiropractor, man, that does, the neck adjustments, but it's not your regular, you know, they used like a towel and they pull on your neck,
Mm-hmm.
you know.
Yep, I've seen
So
that.
I need that, man. Well, my back is just killing me, man. Hold on,
Nope,
let
I
me see if I can
understand.
change this.
Yeah, that was my biggest injury and what I deal with the most still, man, is my neck.
Yeah.
So yeah, I did the chiropractic thing too, man. I saw some pretty good results from it.
I saw small results, but like it wasn't really something, dramatic. I did go to Raleigh to go get that adjustment with the Y strap, and that did help, but every time he did pull me, it pulled my whole body, so it really didn't, you know, um it didn't really pull my spine per se, too much. And
Have
then
you Go ahead?
no, go ahead, go ahead.
Have you tried the piece that goes behind and you kind of hold on to it? It goes over a door frame or attaches to a wall. It's a pulley system, and it actually like pulls your pulls your head up.
Uh-oh.
You do it on your own, so it attaches to a wall, and you squat down
Uh-huh.
and it tilts your head back, and it's basically stretching your neck. And it's if you have like the compression in your vertebrae,
Yeah.
if you have something going on like that, man, it's key.
Yeah.
It's a real good part of the therapy.
Hmm. Let's see what we got here. So I'm down 94 bucks. It's all right. I'm already up for today though. I want to see this thing come back down. I'm just waiting on a confirmation. I want to see this white. cross over the yellow and come back down to the green. And then this yellow cross over the green. And I want to see the MACDs. Let's see, the MACDs are they're having that spacing, that opening here. So I want to see this continue to open to the downside, and that'll be in confirmation of me getting into shorts, which I already am, but I got in too early. Huh. It's one of those things, man. The market does whatever the hell it wants to, you know? You
Yeah.
just never know when it's going to come down, come up. Hmm. Oh yeah, so could you send me that file that you changed to Xeon so I can get those? I was actually doing those I was looking into
Some
Printful
logos.
and yeah, Printful and Vista Print, and I was trying to
Vista,
create.
Vista print, printful.
Yeah, I was
Yeah.
looking into those, and I was trying to like create it, or I was trying to look for, and then I found um some other company as well. They do metal ones,
Oh, cool.
and they have like a silver, they have a gold plated, and they have the other ones, you know.
That's pretty sick.
And I was like, they're only like $3 a piece, man,
Oh,
But
wow.
I don't want like if I were handing out things, like I don't want to get 1,000 people,
Yeah.
I don't want to give it to 1,000 people. I just, we gotta. I'd say keep it simple. Probably I'll buy about 50 of them, and out of those 50, maybe a couple will probably look into it.
Right.
So
Yeah.
yeah.
I'll send that to you in just a second.
All right. Awesome. Let's see. Let's see. Man, Mark ain't no joke, man.
I mean, there's a lot of stuff popping off over the weekend.
Yeah. They say there was some kind of thing starting today.
Yeah, war.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it'll.
So how did I don't understand from what my understanding, if that happens, and I would think, wouldn't you think that the market would just keep going down because that'll stop something, you know?
Yeah. Well, I mean, you got to think some stuff will benefit, some stuff will fall victim to it.
Mm-hmm.
I would think just based off the area, I would naturally assume you're going to see that start affecting your big oil
Mm.
and all your shipping, anything that comes out of that area.
And usually whenever oil comes down, market goes up. I mean,
Yeah.
that's from what I've seen, and that's what the master says usually. That
Oh,
usually happens. Yeah.
the cost of oil.
Yeah.
Say, yeah, the cost per barrel goes down. No, I think the cost per barrel is about to skyrocket
Mm.
because you know.
Well, you know what that if it does, you know what that means? Well, like I said, the master says that oil and the stock market do the opposite of what it's doing. I know from looking at the 4 hour on
Mhm.
Webull, it looks like we're already, how you would say, we're already to the top of the stochastics. Like it's ready for a down movement again, because even if you look at the daily, it's already touching that signal on the MACD. And from what I'm seeing, and from what other people are talking, it's like they're still thinking that this can still keep going down. It's
Yeah.
just a matter of when.
Yep.
So I'm trying to look for that I'm trying to look for that crossovers on these signals. I want to be able to get in early,
Yeah.
at least
Of
to the
course.
the top of it. man, this thing is climbing, man. I'm already down 128. I was up 200 and something, but it's all right. I'm still in the green. I'm waiting for a crossover. Who knows? It might even be a one-sided day, so let's see what happens. How was your weekend, man? Everything good?
It's pretty good, man. It's nice to have some good weather for a change.
Yeah.
So
I
yeah,
didn't do
definitely.
anything, man. I was bored out of my mind, dude.
Well,
Yeah.
that sucks.
Yep. Well, it's
Did you
usually
work on
like
the
that.
car?
I did. I did actually.
Did you get somewhere with it?
I got my brother to come here and help me, and I wasn't able to turn it on because I need a like I was missing a piece from the fuel rail. I had to get like a block off valve, and I
Mm-hmm.
put that fuel pressure regulator on there,
Mm-hmm.
and I just need that block off for the fuel rail, and then I should be able to call up the tuner and say, hey man, I'm ready.
Where are you going to take it?
Oh, it's they do it remotely.
Okay.
So you like you share your computer and whatnot, and then he does all the fine tuning.
Right, right.
It's pretty cool, man. Because the first time when I called him, it was like I think it was 150 for 2 hours
Okay.
or something like that,
Mm-hmm.
reserve. And I did that, and man, he just went in there with a computer, man, and did what he had to, and I was able to start the car, man. It was nice.
Swapped your. Yeah, I guess people modify Miatas so much, man,
Hmm.
that
Well, I think they're
they're
great
good
cars,
advantage.
man. Like for me, it's a fun car, and it's a little, it's small, compact, but it's a fun car.
Yeah. No, I mean, the Spec Miata Racing Club. I mean, you've got so many different Miata racing like organizations. It's kind of crazy.
Yep.
The Mazda Miata is the perfect 50-50 balance of weight, which is why it's so popular
Yeah.
when it comes to racing on the road. And like you're saying, it's small, it's nimble, it's like a big go kart.
Yeah. I got a that was actually my first car that I got when I was 15 was a Miata, man.
Okay.
Yeah, when I was 15, man, I told my mom, I was like, "Mom, you got to get this for me." She didn't want to do it, but she eventually gave in, man.
That's funny. How you gonna this damn thing titled bastard?
Then I ended up working on boats for a good while. Dropped out of high school for like a year or two,
Mm.
and then yeah, 'cause mom wasn't having a good time with money, man, and so I had to go to work to help her out, and then yeah, man, everything's tough, man. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta
No, I feel you on that, man.
do.
Definitely understand.
Yeah. All
I
right.
am about to email you two logos.
Nice, nice. I'm gonna go ahead after today, man. I'm gonna go ahead and give those people a call with the business cards and see what they do. But realistically, I really want to get the metal ones. I think, if we get it, if we get it, I think metal is more for something like this,
Mm-hmm.
instead of, just plain old cards.
Yeah, I mean, whatever.
All right, we're getting this drop. Let's get this drop, man. I'm getting too excited, man. Jeez. So I'm down 454. That's all right because the initial investment in this Fidelity account was 500. So I'm only down about what, 50, $54. That's all right because I can get that back. That's fine.
I
I
like
want
it.
to see a drop. I want to see that 1 hour aggressively move down. That's what I want to see. I want to see that 1 hour aggressively move down. I I'm thinking if I get these, let's say 450s, I'm gonna look at the 450 puts. They're at 181. I'm thinking if I get one of those, we might be able to get this drop only if I see that the 30-minute is going, or the 1 hour is about to come down. So you know what I was thinking? I was
What's
thinking,
up?
so I have this really, I got these two monitors, right? But I have a big one, this big one on the bottom. This is like where I do all my work.
Mm-hmm.
And the top one, what I'm thinking is I'm gonna get another big one for my bottom, for the top, for replacing this one that I have on top and putting the same size as this one on the bottom, and then I can just send this one to you, you know.
I actually have I have a large compared to a computer monitor. It's
Hmm.
like a 32-inch TV. I have a TV I can just plug into.
Oh, okay. All right. So we just need to get you a tower.
I mean, you can plug in a laptop with an HDMI into a screen
Hmm.
and run dual monitors on a laptop.
Oh, okay.
Did a little research. Didn't know if you could, but apparently, as long as you got the port, you're good.
Awesome.
So realistically, I could move the laptop in, a few different locations.
Yeah. See what we got here. I want to see this drop.
You should have that email as well now.
Okay. I'll check it out. If you let me get it. Let me see what we got here. It's always telling me to sign in.
My phone does that with my Yahoo account a lot.
Yeah.
I'm like, bitch,
It's like I'm already signed here, man, already. I'm already signed
yeah,
in on this other one. Why do I have to sign in again?
yeah. Like I was
All
here
right, I
this
got it.
morning.
All right, awesome. I got it. Nice. All right,
And
so
I mean,
which one do you like? You like the one on the left or right? Because which one would you prefer to be on the actual thing on the metal card? Which one you think? I mean, I'll go with either one. They both look great.
hey man, I'm just here to facilitate the ideas.
Okay.
You go ahead, and I like them both too. It'd be kind of cool to have both. You got a black
Okay.
one and a white one. You know what I
Yeah,
mean?
that's right. That's true. That is true.
Um, like you would. You're a man of many trades. You must have a black tux
Mm-hmm.
and white tux.
Yeah.
It's not a tux in the other one, but um, yeah, totally up to you, man. I just like I said, I just wanted to provide a handful of ideas, and we can again, I can very easily modify some things in that. You can look at it later, but
Yeah.
we can talk about that afterwards.
All right.
I have seen some other places that I've looked at logos with some other Instagram places and whatnot, and they actually a lot of them aren't really that elaborate.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Um,
Let's see.
because I guess at some point when you go to print that stuff out, you go to put it on certain stuff.
Mm-hmm.
If you get too, I know this because when I did my apparel, it was the same thing.
Yeah.
Because like I had not a rainbow of colors, but like a there was color in the background,
Yeah.
and trying to transfer that a magnet stuff like that, no problem. Try to make a hat or a fleece or something like that or a blanket with that on there,
Mm-hmm.
and it's so many colors, like it doesn't come out like it does on something printed.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
So I think that's why people probably have less going on with certain logos. so they're just easily transferable to different materials.
Hmm.
So just something to think about when we're
Yeah.
dialing one in. Um,
Let's see what we can do. All right, we're getting this drop here.
did the master call this one this morning?
Did he call this one this morning?
Yeah, was he able to get in on this one?
I don't know. I don't see. I'm too. Whenever I'm. Oh, I got in last night, man.
Okay, okay.
You know, if you. I don't know if you saw that, but um, they said it probably start before anyone.
By the way, man, we're about 10 till 11.
Okay. Three too fast didn't get in. Just pointing out. Okay. Nah, he didn't call it. I would call it on there, but I'm too busy trying to be in here, you know. And
Yeah,
it's kind of like kind of hard just to be like that and then type in there. I don't even know if anybody in there's is trading, like
I mean, some of them are.
yeah. I just don't know who, they wouldn't see somebody like me like getting, tips or whatever. Even though I do, I do make profits, but you know, the master is the well-known one.
Yeah, I mean, there's a handful of guys in there that we were deployed, especially. You had some guys that made some real good calls. Um, you might have somebody that just has their eye on one stock. They're like, hey, man, I know I don't do this all the time, but I've been watching this ship for 6 months, and I'm letting you know.
Yeah.
We definitely had a few of those, and I think there's a few of those. I'm not gonna drop his name.
Hmm.
He scooped 20K.
Dang.
I mean, I know you saw that in the group, right? Yeah, I think he screenshotted it.
Oh, that was yeah, yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
yeah,
He
but
was he was deployed with us.
yeah,
So he's only been in the game that long. You know what I mean?
yeah.
But I mean, he was obviously studying that or got in real early on.
See,
I
this
think he
is
made
like
it on Dogecoin or something, didn't he? Or maybe
I
Bitcoin.
don't remember, but I know he made about 20.
Yeah.
But
Hey, yeah, he took it and kept it.
he was sweating on that one, man. I know he was.
Yeah.
That's and even the master called me and he's like, "Did you see that? Did you see what this?" I was like, "Yeah." I was like, I know he was shaking.
Oh yeah.
When you're putting your life saving into it, that's just that. Nah, I wouldn't do that. But I mean, if it worked out, it worked out.
Yeah. I mean, but he was on that for a little bit though. I believe
Yeah.
he was invested in that for. It wasn't just that wasn't a day trade.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah, he was on that for a minute. That's what I'm saying. There's a few guys in our group, and they tend. I mean, you've got some guys that trade daily. You've got some guys that are long term, and then you've got some guys that really have been.
I've
They
seen
don't
that. I've
study
seen.
one
I've
or
seen.
two.
I've seen those couple of guys actually in there. The thing
Yeah,
is that I don't see the rest of the other people that we don't see.
I rarely see action from more than about a handful of people.
Yeah. And I'm pretty sure all the other groups are actually watching. They're just not online.
Yeah, I mean, if you want the information, it's there. If he's if he's giving you the invite, you should consider paying attention.
Yep. All right, guys, we got about 6 more minutes. I am going to go over this this chart. What I am seeing is, hold on, let me move this over here. I want to see this open more to the downside. We will be getting a drop if we do. If not, um, then we'll probably be continuing out. But I do want to see it come down here. Let's look at the 15. The 15, we do. Oh, y'all can't see it, but what I am seeing is this could possibly be a resistance level up here. So watch out for that. Anything can happen. I could say it can come down here, but it don't. It goes up. So watch resistance level up here. Um, watch for a breakout and a fake out, and watch your EMAs. Watch your stochastics and whatever indicator you're using. We have on this one, we still have a huge opening here. But on the stochastics, it's about to cross over. So what I'm thinking is this might be coming back down for a little bit, back to possibly VWAP. And then let's see. This is the 3 minute. So we're starting to get that starting to, how would I say this? It looks like it's going into reverse, but I don't think it's going to reverse just yet. I'm still waiting on confirmation, which means I need to see the 7 and the 21 crossover, and this opening needs to keep on falling in order for this to be valid. So that's what I'm seeing as of now. But anyways, guys, yeah, I think that's it for me. I'm gonna stay in this trade um and see what happens later on in the day. I do want to see a drop, so I'm gonna stay in this one for a bit, and I'm not gonna get out. But all right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and start ending the stream, and just watch out for those breakouts and the fake outs, and just check your indicators and react to the action.